Yeah, breaking news, people. You know it's Rastafari Soldier. And you see I'm in the 4 yard right here. Full jar in the birds. But I have to read you this breaking news coming off of the news right now. The CDC has announced that Dr. Rochelle Walensky, the CDC Director, has tested positive for the COVID-19. And she's up to date with her vaccination. That means she have her first, second, third, and 900 boosts and still get the COVID. Now they said Walensky is experiencing mild symptoms and she's at home and she will participate in her scheduled meetings that has been planned virtually. Now, the staffs that were in contact with Dr. Walensky has been contacted and told of the situation that she is now, diagnosed positive with the COVID-19 virus and are being told to take the necessary steps to protect themselves and to administer the health protocol on the CDC. You are going to take. Now, as you see the images, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the head of the NIH and the top presidential advisor on health and the highest paid public governmental official, was boosted also, getting first, second, third, and 900 shot, and he still caught the COVID-19. Going over to the President of the United States, Joe Biden. He was shot with the COVID-19 vaccine. He was boosted and he still caught the virus. We go over to Vice President Kamala Harris. She took her COVID-19. I'm sure she was boosted and she still got the COVID-19. So I'm explaining to you that many of the United States top officials has been vaccinated, they have been boosted, and it's been officially announced that Dr. Rochelle Walensky of the CDC, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the President of the United States, Joe Biden, the Vice President of the United States, Kamala Harris, and it's a sad situation to announce that last night the CDC Director Walensky tested positive. So I just wanted to, come on here because I'm out of the studio right now and update you on this, because a lot of news, a lot of information is being revealed about the procedures and the process that were taken to gain these multi-billion-dollar contracts through the EU and through the United States. Recently, I showed the video showing Bob Ross asking Janine Small, the international director of Pfizer, was the COVID vaccine tested on its efficiency or effectiveness of preventing the transmission? And her answer, not my answer, her answer was no. Now, in accordance with the social media, which is YouTube that I'm on right now, I'm supposed to inform you that you should go out and take your vaccine. So, since the President of the United States and Kamala Harris, the Vice President, and Rochelle Walensky, the Director of the CDC, and Dr. Fauci, the Head Medical Advisor of the United States, was vaccinated and boosted and still caught the COVID-19 virus. I am here following the social media personnel that direct me to tell you, go out and take your vaccine. Now, at that in the world, what go on for what a go on. All when you have your own mind and your own conscience, if you do critical thinking, you are being directed by social media oligarchs, multi-billionaires, and TV news stations and governmental officials to tell the people what they want you to tell them. And in this world, in 2022 and further, they want the people them to use them critical thinking. And not everything somebody tell you, you fit take fully. So the truth sometimes is from the perspective of the person that's looking in that direction. So the governmental officials were faced with a pandemic, a virus that they did not know about because they admitted, and they created a vaccine to help lower the curve. You are going to take, because those are the talking points. Lower the curve. That is the reason why we should take a foreign substance that the government admit they don't know if it works or not, because it's obvious, it's proven. There are many people that has been vaccinated that still gets infected, and the maker of the vaccines are repeatedly saying that they're unwilling to turn over the contracts between the EU, USA, and first world countries because there are secrets in it. So I don't know if it's what they put in it or it's the agreement that they made. But I'm reporting here live on Deep Roots TV. I'm in the backyard right here, so you are going to take. As you see, it's a beautiful location, nice and sunny. Yeah, and I just had to let these birds whisper in your ear and hear the word, what's going on in the world. So I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment and share the content. You are going to the head of the CDC, Dr. Rochelle Walensky, although vaccinated and boosted, has now been announced that she has tested positive for the COVID virus, and she will do her meetings that has been scheduled virtually. You are going to like I'm here talk to you virtually right now. Come virtual. Digital Rasta. I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more in happiness. Yeah, leave your comment, family.